Hey guys, it's Jimmy Jones with eXp Realty. So today is day 3 of our 30-day series, Frequently Asked Questions, and this is when I get lots of questions from buyers and sellers on a regular basis. I thought it'd be a great opportunity for me to share information with you in case you're thinking about buying or selling a house in the near future. I hope you guys enjoy. So on day 1, we talked about the first 2 steps of the home buying process, which is to save for your down payment and to get pre-qualified by your mortgage lender. Yesterday we talked about finding a great real estate agent, narrowing your market or the community that you want to shop for your home, finding a great home, and then making the offer. And so today we're going to talk about the last few steps of the home buying process, and that is the option period, the funding part of it, and then closing the deal. So the option period, there's lots of things happening during the option period, but the main thing is you're getting the home inspected. As a buyer, you have the right, you pay money to the seller for the right to do inspections on the property. And so within the first 3 days of the option period, you as the buyer have to deliver the earnest money and the option fee to the title company, and the title company will hold those monies for both parties until the deal gets closed or until one of the parties cancels the contract. The option period, during that, you're also hopefully getting your home inspector out there. I usually coach my clients to have the home inspector out there within the first 2 to 3 days, because after the inspector gives us the findings, they provide an inspection report. We have to communicate that to the sellers and negotiate what repairs we want the sellers to make. Or if the seller doesn't want to make the repairs, they can give us a credit at closing, or they can reduce the sales price, or some combination of these. And so once those terms have been negotiated and agreed upon by both parties, we have to get all of that signed before the expiration of the option period. After the option period is, completed, the next step is for the buyers to secure funding through their mortgage lender. And that's when you're providing all of the loan documents, like your pay stubs, your tax returns. All of that is provided to the mortgage lender's underwriter, and then we're working to get them final loan approval. So it's what we call clear to close. And so once we get through that, as part of that, the buyer has to secure home insurance, and it's a good idea to purchase a home warranty. Once we get through that, we get to close the deal, and we'll go to the closing table. The closing table for sellers, it's usually a very brief part. You have to sign a few documents, but as a buyer, there are lots of paperwork that you have to sign, because you are closing 2 deals at the closing table. You're closing the sale with the seller, and so you're signing certain paperwork for that, for the seller to get paid. And then the second part is you're closing the loan or starting the loan with the mortgage company, and so you're signing additional documents for that. I hope this information's been helpful. Tomorrow we're going to focus a little bit more on the seller side of things, but if you have questions about anything real estate related, just call Jimmy. Again, it's Jimmy Jones with eXp Realty. Have a great day.